How do you set the time? When plugged in, the display shows 12:00 blinking every second. Check the time now. Press the hour and min buttons separately to set the hours and minutes. Once you've set the current time, leave the machine untouched and wait for the flashing light to stop. Then the setup is done. Press the on-off button to start brewing coffee. Brewing in progress. Please wait. Press on or off to stop when desired coffee amount is reached. Now you've got the perfect cup of coffee. Now it's time to enjoy your coffee.